Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lian Duan. I have been a developer over 20 years. I focus on DevOps and security in the cloud. Today I'll demo how to keep GitLab branches safer in project. The video read to Markdown file and the project are in my GitLab. The links are below. After you finish the video, you are able to understand why branches need to be protected, which branches have to be protected in GitLab, and how to do it. Let's start. Topic is what is GitLab Protect branch? How to keep GitLab branches safer in your project? Hands-on demo. First topic is what is GitLab Protect branch? Protect branch only allows maintainer roles user to maintain the branch. No one can force push into the branch. The branch cannot be deleted. Next topic is how to keep GitLab branches safer in your project. I cannot tell you which branches need to be protected in your project because the protect branches depend on your team branching strategies. There are 5 common branching strategies. In Git flow strategy, master and release branches need to be protected. Master branch had to be protected in GitHub flow strategy and trunk-based development strategy. Production branch needs to be protected in GitLab flow strategy. Why do the branches need to be protected? Because we do not want any unexpected code into our release branch. 2 items can keep GitLab branches safer. Create protect branch. Use protect value. Next topic is hands-on demo. In my hands-on demo, I will add protect branch with the master branch in the common lab project because the project uses GitHub flow branching strategy. Also, I will show how to change the existing variable to protect variable. Switch to the GitLab website. Move down to common lab project. In the left side navigation menu, click Settings, select Repository menu, expand Protect Branches. Protect Branches, drop-down menu, select Master. Allowed to merge, select Maintainers. Allows to push, select to Maintainers. Click Protect blue button. Expand again in the Protect Branches. You'll see the master branch is protected. Why there are 2 protect branches? Because main branch is default protect branch in the GitLab. Next, let me show how to change existing variable to protect variable. Under the settings menu, move down to the CI/CD sub-menu. Click expand variables. Common Lab deploy token tool is used in my video. How to push a Java project to GitLab package registry. The video link is below. Click pencil icon. Select protect variables. That means only main or master branches can use the value. Click update variable. You'll see the options change from masked to masked and protected. Today we learned how to use protect branch and protect variable to keep your project safer. Thank you and see you in the next week.